Another beautiful start to the day. A bit of cloud cover this morning, but that's clearing up. So we'll see more sunshine here through early afternoon. Temperatures starting off in the 30s and 40s this morning, but we're going to get to near 60 degrees this afternoon. But changes already on the way. We're expecting snow in through the northern Front Range Mountains by this afternoon. A few showers, even a few thunderstorms possible across the eastern plains this afternoon. So we may see some wet roads for the evening commute, especially north near Longmont, Fort Collins, and Greeley. Here in town, a little closer to Denver, we'll see some of that rain start to fill in late afternoon, early evening. That is going to then switch over to all snow overnight tonight. And in spots, we're expecting some heavy snow, potentially a few bands of snow that would leave us with snowfall rates of upwards of around 1 to 2 inches per hour. Heaviest snow is likely going to be south, west, and east of Denver. Out across the far eastern plains, the winds will kick up, and we're also expecting some blizzard-like conditions. By Tuesday night, skies will rapidly clear out, and we're going to see more sunshine and some warmer weather by midweek. Take a look at all of the alerts, though. Starting off with that blizzard warning out on the eastern plains. It goes into effect tonight until 5 o'clock on Tuesday. Up to about 8 inches of snow, and we could see wind gusts near 65 miles per hour. So that is going to include areas east of Denver, there along I-70 from Agate to Lyman, east through Burlington into Kansas, and then also up towards 76 into Nebraska. We also have a winter storm warning going into effect tonight for the Palmer Divide. So when it comes to the metro area tomorrow, likely south of Denver, closer to Highlands Ranch, and then down in through Castle Pines, Castle Rock, Larkspur, south of there is where we're going to see again upwards of around 5 to 10 inches of snow and some really gusty winds. So blizzard-like conditions expected there. Winter weather advisories in purple, a winter storm warning for the northern Front Range Mountains. More than a foot of snow possible there as you get up and through parts of Rocky Mountain National Park. And again, some gusty winds. So again, here in town, totals look to be a little bit lighter than what we're going to see to the south and east of Denver. Cold and snow, though. Highs will be near 40 tomorrow afternoon. So this isn't going to be like what we saw last week, that cold Arctic blast, but it is going to be chilly, near 40, and it'll feel even colder with those winds. Skies will then clear out. We're closer to 50 on Wednesday, low 50s Thursday, and then Thursday night into Friday tracking another storm. That's going to bring another chance for some snow to round out the week.